In this video, we're going to take a look at getting some practice with imperial conversions. So copy these 3 questions down, and then pause the video, work out the answer to each question, and then resume the video to see the solutions to these 3 problems. So in this first question, we have to convert 4 yards into inches. So if we need to put 4 yards into inches, we're going to use the method of factor label. We're going to start with 4 yards, and now we want to get rid of yards, so that goes in the bottom, and replace it with inches. And from yards to inches, we know that 1 yard has 36 inches. Our yards cancel. We have our final measurement in inches, and now we have 4 times 36 inches. And 4 times 36 is, 4 times 6 is 24, carry the 2, 3 times 4 is 12, and 2 is 14. So we get 144 inches. If we take a look at the second problem, we have 2 yards plus 4 feet plus 3 inches, and we want to get that all into inches. So more of the same conversions. We can start with the yards, and we have 2 yards, and we want to replace yards with inches, and 1 yard has 36 inches. And again, if you weren't sure about going from yards directly into inches, then, or you didn't remember, you could say, you could go from yards into feet, and then from feet into inches this way, and say 1 yard is 3 feet, and 1 foot is 12 inches. And this 3 times 12 here is where we get the 36. And so yards cancel, feet cancel, I'm left with inches. And so I'm going to get 2 times 3, which is 6, 6 times 12, 2 times 6 is 12, carry the 1, 1 times 6 plus 1, 72 inches. And now I need to convert, I'll get rid of this, I need to convert 4 feet. So 4 feet, and I want to get rid of feet and replace it with inches. And so I know 1 foot has 12 inches, my feet are gone, I have inches as my final unit, and 4 times 12 will give me 48 inches. And I don't have to do anything with the bottom one because I already have that measurement in inches. So I have 72 plus 48 plus 3. So 8 and 2 is 10, and 3 is 13, so I write the 3 and carry the 1. 7 plus 4 is 11, plus my carried 1 is 12. So I will get that 2 yards, 4 feet, and 3 inches is equal to 123 inches. And finally, my last problem here, I have 51 inches, and I want to know how many yards, feet, and inches. So similar to the last problems, when we look at 51 inches, we have to see how many whole yards there are in 51 inches. So I know that there's 36 inches in 1 yard, and so 36 leaves me with 15 inches. And remember, as long as this number is less than this number, then you've got the correct whole amount. So in this one, there is 1 full yard. So that takes up 36 inches, and now I've got 15 inches left. And so now I see, and I need to know how many feet will be in 15 inches, and I can see that there's going to be 1 whole foot, and there will be 3 inches remaining. So 51 inches is the same as 1 yard, 1 foot, and 3 inches. So that should be a good review of imperial conversions with feet, inches, and yards.